Hey, congratulations on completing day 9. Now today I want to share with you a trick that's really useful for keeping your motivations high. And the idea is to make sure that you are accountable by not just yourself, but also somebody else. So find a member of your family, find a friend, find a buddy, and just tell them that you've committed to doing this 100 days of code. And then they'll check up on you every week, asking you, what have you made? What have you learned? And then you can send them the projects you've built, like Handman or Treasure Island, so that they can share in your learning and what you've been building. Now, what this is really important for is that you can't just tell yourself, maybe I'll give myself a day off today. Now you've got somebody who's going to hold you accountable to make sure that you keep showing up and you keep persevering. So give that a go, and I'll see you tomorrow.